You're watching CKWS News at Noon. Nice to see you on this Monday afternoon. Thanks for joining us. Average high this time of year is around 7. Kingston should hit 6, maybe 7 degrees today. And this hour, some rain, possibly some rain, snow mixing, depending on where you are. More or less areas to the north of us, maybe Smith Falls could see some. And overnight will drop down to 3 degrees with variable cloudiness overnight, which means some sunshine is on the way for tomorrow. Yeah, chilly morning. We were well below 0 and then rising to around 6 or 7 degrees. You just saw that little bit of a rain-snow mix pass by. That is for the midday, and then some sunshine is on the way for tomorrow. But Belleville, you'll have to get through today with some rain, possibly some rain-snow mixing. 9 degrees though, so any flurry activity you see will turn to rain. 7 on Tuesday, a mix of sun and clouds. Look at you, double digits for Wednesday. How about that? Well above average, a mix of sun and clouds as well for your midweek. And for Brockville, a chillier one for you today, only getting to 4 degrees with that rain-snow mix, maybe a centimeter. Also for tomorrow, mostly cloudy, and then up to 9 for Wednesday. So from below average to above average by midweek. Enjoy some sunny periods at this point for your midweek. And as we head towards the weekend, overnight lows rise above 0, but a chilly one for Smith Falls today. Do bundle up, about a centimeter worth of flurries, only getting to 2. 4 for tomorrow, mostly cloudy, and then 8 on Wednesday with a little bit of sunshine, but a mostly cloudy sky. Here's how Kingston's next 5 days are looking. Around 6 or 7 degrees for a high today, and some mixed precipitation midday. 6 for tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, and then up to 9 for Wednesday. Also some sunny periods, and those sunny periods keep on coming for Thursday at this point. We hit double digits on Thursday with a high of 10, and then 11 on Friday. Could end the week with some rain.
Is brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. For brakes, tires, oil, everything. Midas will keep you safe and on the road in all weather conditions.
Yeah, still hanging on to a small chance of showers tonight. Now, it may be mixed with flurries as we see it cool down. You may have noticed that trace of showers we had today was sort of a mix of flurries, but nothing really stuck. It melted and it wasn't much to begin with. We are going to see that end before morning, and then some late day clearing tomorrow, probably late afternoon for Belleville, Kingston. For Brockville and Smith Falls, may not be until the evening that you start to see that partial clearing, but you're going to have everything. Everybody's going to have a little bit of sunshine, mix of sun and cloud over Wednesday and Thursday in milder conditions. We're going to see highs of about 10, 11, maybe 12 degrees in parts of eastern Ontario for a couple days as we enjoy this sunshine. But we get back into some wet weather on Friday, and following that, temperatures taking a bit of a dip, but hoping for some sunshine on the weekend. Another repeat of what we had. Cool, but nice to have those sunny periods over the weekend. It was quite a nice weekend. We are looking at temperatures in the seasonal range right now. This isn't, before we complain about this is your seasonal norm. 7 for a high, a little cooler away from the lake too. 3 in Brockville, 0 in Smith Falls, and a -1 in Ottawa. That's the best they had. You really see that difference away from Lake Ontario. Farther north, you would expect to be a little cooler, but especially when you get away from sort of northeast, away from Lake Ontario. 13 in Oshawa and 14 in Toronto today. Everybody above normal on that end of the map, and seasonal where we are here in Belleville, Kingston. 2 degrees is where we're sitting now, and those northeast winds light, 9 kilometers per hour reported at the top of the hour. Mostly cloudy conditions right now, and you might see that little sprinkle of a wet flurry or shower through the overnight. Just a trace today, and yeah, we may see a little more tonight, but it's nothing heavy, nothing serious, as we see a couple lows sort of moving through. One that sort of developed along the leading edge of the cold front sort of takes over, heads off to the Atlantic, and the initial one, the primary one, just sort of fizzles, turns into a trough in northern Quebec, so we're not really seeing it. And why? Because high pressure is taking over. By tomorrow, late tomorrow, we see clearing thanks to this high in the south, not the north, and because of that, highs always push away. Lows bring everything into the center of them. They're like a vortex. The highs push everything away, so you got this high position to the south pushing milder air our way. So we're going to have some sunshine, if not mostly sunny, at least a mix of sun and cloud for a couple days, Wednesday and Thursday, and looking at pretty decent temperatures as well. But oh yeah, this low is moving in, and it's likely to reach us by Friday with a good chance of showers following that high pressure clearing for the weekend, but then much cooler air air moving in. And so this is where we are now, and this is why we're saying that probability of a shower, a wet flurry tonight. But then it gets out of the way. Mostly cloudy tomorrow until late in the afternoon in the Belleville-Kingston area, and through the evening in Brockville and Smiths Falls, it clears up. Seeing some cloud over Wednesday, but very thin, not a whole lot. And you're looking at clearing right up for Thursday. So enjoy that. You'll have a little bit of sunshine, and look at those temperatures. Can't complain about that over Wednesday and Thursday. But tomorrow it's mostly cloudy until the late afternoon in the Belleville area. A high of 7, which is seasonal. That's not a bad temperature to have this time of year. Brockville up to 4 degrees tomorrow. You're looking at cloudy conditions through the evening. It'll clear. Mix of sun and cloud over Wednesday and Thursday as temperatures start to climb again into double digits Thursday with a high of 11. Smiths Falls rising to 4 tomorrow. Cloudy skies, evening clearing, and a mix of sun and cloud over Wednesday and Thursday, and you'll rise to 11 by Thursday as well. And Kingston, a high of 6 tomorrow. Mostly cloudy to start. You will see some late afternoon clearing. Mix of sun and cloud over Wednesday and Thursday with double digits for a few days, up to 11 again on Friday, but we see that chance of showers moving in. Following the showers, we get into another ridge of high pressure out of the northwest, and that brings temperatures down as that cool air mass settles in. Only a high of 5 Saturday, highs of 3 over Sunday, and into Monday, mainly sunny. Again, a high of 3. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
This one comes from Philip Wright of Kingston. This picture taken not this past weekend, but the weekend before. This is Saturday evening, our last evening of daylight saving time along the waterfront trail. I just thought it was so beautiful, peaceful, monochromatic in its color, yet very pretty, and you almost want to reach for a sweater or a jacket, don't you? It looks a little cool.
I like that picture. And you can see the wind turbines. I would assume that's Wolf Island in
yeah, with the turbines across the water. Yeah,
okay.
Very nice. Nice. And if you've got pics, do like everyone does, send them to us as submissions at ckwstv.com.
Yes, we see a lot of sunrises and sunset pictures, and there looks like another great one from viewers, Bill. And a nice forecast that you've delivered for us for at least a few more days, right?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Yeah, above normal temps and some sunny periods here and there. It's not going to be pure sunshine, but it's going to be a nice couple fall days. Come Friday, it gets a little wet again. And then as we roll into the weekend, things are going to be cool. So no precipitation Saturday for that evening Santa Claus parade in Kingston. However, it's going to be cool. Hopefully the winds won't be very strong. Yeah, you'll have to put a few layers on.
Okay, will do. Good advice. Thank you, Bill. The 10-day outlook is coming up later. With the next 10 days.
Yes, and it looks like that small chance of showers we have tonight is going to be out of the way soon. November 14th, it's mostly cloudy for the day. However, late afternoon in the Belleville-Kingston area, it clears. And in Brockville and Smiths Falls, you'll see that clearing overnight. Mix of sun and cloud over Wednesday and Thursday with highs of 11, as high as 11 again on Friday. But that comes with showers. In the wake of those showers, temperatures start to drop again. Saturday, only a high 5. Sure to wear lots of clothing, the hats, the mitts, the scarves, if you're going to be curbside for the Santa Parade Saturday night in Kingston. Mix of sun and cloud again over Sunday, only a high of 3, just as cool Monday, and mainly sunny conditions, bumping up to highs of 6 over Tuesday and Wednesday, but the chance of showers returns Thursday, only as high as 3, and that chance of precipitation could be mixed.
All right, looks like we'll get those showers out of the way on Friday and hopefully have a nice clear night for the Santa Parade on Saturday.
Cool but clear, yeah.
Yeah, we'll be right back.
Your long-range weather. You're watching CKWS News at 11.
Well, we've got a couple lows moving through. Actually, there was one low, and then along the leading edge of this cold front, a secondary low started to develop, and it's going to take all the power and energy out to sea. As a result of that, that first primary low just sort of fizzles off into a trough in northern Quebec. And so we're only looking at about 30 to 40% chance of precipitation overnight. By morning, it's out of the way. High pressure moving in, a high from the south, so it's going to bring better temperatures in, but we probably won't see that clearing until late Tuesday. And at that, partial. So Wednesday and Thursday look quite nice. However, we're keeping our eye on this low in the north, and its fronts could bring active weather for Friday for us in Belleville, Kingston. Could be showers to the areas north. Might be a little bit of snow, wet snow. One thing certain, once we get on the other side of that cold front, much colder conditions moving in for the weekend. Kind of what you had this past weekend. Clear, but on the cool side. 6 will be your high tomorrow. Mostly cloudy, late clearing Belleville. Wednesday, a high of 11. Nice to see double digits returning with a mix of sun and cloud. Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud and a high of 12. In Brockville, rising to 4 tomorrow with cloudy conditions clearing through the evening. Come Wednesday and Thursday, a mix of sun and cloud as high as 11 Celsius on Thursday. And in Smiths Falls, you're up to 4 degrees, cloudy skies, clearing overnight though. Wednesday, it's a mix of sun and cloud with a high of 8 and as high as 10 Thursday, and a mix of sun and cloud. Kingston, your forecast, rising to 6 Celsius tomorrow, mostly cloudy to the late afternoon. Then we start to see some partial clearing. Wednesday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 11, as high as 11 on Thursday, again with a mix of sun and cloud. You managed to hit that 11 Celsius again Friday, but we do see showers moving into the region. Following those showers, temperatures drop off. Saturday, a mix of sun and cloud with a high 5. Bundle up if you're heading out that evening for the Santa Claus parade. Sunday, it's a high 3 with a mix of sun and cloud, and mainly sunny Monday, a high of 3.